how to put restrictions on Safari. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can put restrictions in Safari, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Putting restrictions in Safari basically means that you want to turn on parental controls, or you want to maybe limit adult sites or maybe some sensitive content. And in order to do this, all you have to do is go to settings. For this, you have to enable a feature inside of your iPhone known as screen time. So if you haven't enabled it already, just select that one here and then make sure you enable screen time. Once done, just go to this option known as content and privacy restrictions and tap on it. Once you're here, just make sure to enable this option and then just go ahead and maybe make sure your passcode over here. Once you've done that, you should be able to see this. Tap on allowed apps and just turn off Safari. What this does is that Safari was previously allowed to view all of the content, but now that we've removed Safari, everything that you see on Safari is actually going to get limited and restricted. So this way you'll be able to put restrictions on Safari app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.